Welcome to the CloudCentral video tutorials. Today we're going to take a look at the voicemail feature on our phone system. So let's get started with this tutorial. The voicemail is a place where voice messages are left when someone who is trying to reach you couldn't and left a message. There are different ways to check and manage your messages, so let's start with the desktop app. Every user or extension has a PIN code for their voicemail. Now, you're not asked for this PIN code on desktop or mobile apps, but you will on IP phones. This app has a button for voicemail placed here. When you click on it, you'll be able to visually see the messages, date, and duration. You can click on a message and a play button will appear to play back the voicemail. Now let's say I want to contact Dylan Hunter to leave him a message without having to talk to him. On the desktop app, I can just right-click on Dylan's contact, click on voicemail, and this will take me straight to leave him a message. With CloudCentral, your voicemail can be configured to automatically be sent to your email as a written text transcription, as you can see here. Additionally, it gives you the original audio as an attachment. Now, on the Go app for mobile devices, you can check your voicemail by tapping on the voicemail icon. Note that the More arrow has a red notification number to indicate the number of messages I have pending to review. I'll tap on the arrow and then the voicemail icon. You will then be able to see the messages. If you tap on one of them, you will be given options to play it back and an option to listen to it on speaker. On here, if I want to contact someone straight to voicemail, I can go to the directory, tap on the person I want to contact, and then tap on voicemail. This will call his mailbox to leave a message directly without having to talk to him. Now let's take a look at this on an IP phone. If you don't know your PIN or you lost your PIN, contact customer service to get it back. Most IP phones have a button to check your voicemail. This one calls it Message, located here. Press it and it will call voicemail for you. If your phone doesn't have this button, dial *123 to call voicemail.
Please enter your PIN. You have one new message. Press 1 for new messages. Press 2 to change folders. Press 3 for advanced options. Press 0 for mailbox options. Press star for help or pound to exit.
If you want to change your PIN, dial 0 for mailbox options.
Press 1 to record your unavailable message. Press 2 to record your busy message. Press 3 to record your name. Press 4 to record your temporary greeting. Press 5 to change your password. Press star to return to the main menu.
As you've heard, I dialed 5 to change my PIN password. It will ask you to type in your password and type it again to confirm. You can access your voicemail from a different extension within your call group by dialing *124. It will prompt you to dial the extension number you want to access and then your PIN. Now, if you want to leave a voicemail on someone else's extension without ringing their phone or having to talk to them, I can dial *125 and then the extension number. In my case, I want to leave a voicemail to extension 201, so I will dial *125 201. I hope this tutorial was useful for you. Subscribe to our channel for more video tutorials, give us a like to let us know it was helpful, and if you're not using our CloudCentral business tools, visit our website at cloudcentral.com for more information about the many communication tools we offer to help your business become more effective and thus more successful. See you soon!